Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Dataset Spotlight. This one we're doing case mix adjusted percentage of cancers diagnosed at stages 1 and 2. There's also 3 and 4 in here. We've got these 5 tables, so you can pause the video to have a look at that. The data going back to 2001, 152,000 rows so far. So what have we got? First of all, diagnosed by stage and stageable diagnosis stages 1 and 2. They since added 3 and 4 as well, as you can see. That's by Cancer and Alliance code. Then you've got adjusted and unadjusted diagnosis stages for 21 types of cancer, and that's just split by these different measures and also Commissioner. Then you've got diagnosed cancers by stage, the 21 types, and that's split by these cancer groups, and you've got these stage at diagnosis levels. So we'll just show you that too. That's by Commissioner as well. Then diagnose cancers by stage by deprivation. So you've got these sites for the cancer, the deprivation levels 1 to 5, and the stage of the cancer. And then finally, newly diagnosed cancers by stage completeness. So that is total for the country, it's not by area. And you've got these different completeness levels. So that's it, thanks.